Welcome back. Earlier, we had discussed why data residency is a critical board level issue. The challenge is clear. How do you achieve global AI scale while meeting strict local compliance mandates? Today, we will answer the how of it, and we'll dive into the architecture that solves this problem, the TrueFoundry AI Gateway. Let's recap the core conflict. On one side, the goal is competitive global scale, and on the other, the blocker is adhering to laws like GDPR and DPDP and navigating geopolitical risk. This requires a unified AI layer that respects borders. The AI Gateway is that answer. It is the new control plane for enterprise AI. Positioned between your applications and every model you use, it becomes the nexus of sovereignty. The gateway acts as both a traffic controller deciding where the data goes and a compliance firewall ensuring sensitive data never crosses an impermissible border. TrueFoundry was built with sovereignty at its core. Now let's look into how TrueFoundry offers a differentiated AI gateway. It achieves this through core capabilities which are uniquely designed for multi-regional compliance and operational scale. We'll walk through regional log isolation, encryption control, bring your own cloud and on-prem support, routing intelligence, policy-aware observability, model abstraction, and privacy and redaction filters. Logs are the most sensitive form of data in motion. With regional logs isolation, all logging and analytics data, be it raw prompts, responses, embeddings, are stored locally in region. This ensures logs never cross jurisdictional boundaries, strictly adhering to the end user's governing laws. For example, you can retain raw logs in the US but anonymize data in the European Union. With encryption and key control, all data in transit and at rest is encrypted. Crucially, your organization retains full control of the decryption keys per region. This is the ultimate assurance that decryption is controlled solely by the customer, even if infrastructure is shared. And with this, a foreign entity cannot decrypt your data, even though jurisdictionally governed. For organizations with the strictest mandates, TrueFoundry offers full infrastructure sovereignty via bring your own cloud and on-prem support, even going further to air-gapped support. You can deploy the gateway on your private cloud, VPC, or on-prem environments, ensuring maximum physical and jurisdictional control over the entire AI stack. Another foundational capability is routing intelligence, where the TrueFoundry gateway automatically directs each API call to the correct regional endpoint based on the user or data origin. This is automatic and crucial for preventing inadvertent cross-border transfers, ensuring data generated in the EU, for instance, is routed exclusively to EU-compliant infrastructure. Next is observability, which is policy aware. That means the monitoring dashboards and aggregated metrics adhere to the same regional controls as the underlying data of logs, ensuring cohesion. Global administrators gain visibility into performance and usage without ever accessing raw sensitive regional logs. For example, you can view the total tokens usage globally, but not at an individual request level. The gateway also provides necessary model abstraction. You can switch instantly between global model providers like OpenAI and sovereign providers like Mistral without writing a single line of new application code. This reduces vendor lock-in and enables flexible hybrid deployments. Another example is a hybrid switch between GPT-5 and an on-prem self-hosted model, which can happen in a seamless manner. Finally, compliance often requires sanitization. The gateway provides privacy and redaction filters which automatically anonymize or mask sensitive data such as PII before it is sent to external models for inference. These are just some of the few filters provided by input and output guardrails. These significantly reduce the legal liability of transmitting regulated information. Let's look at how TrueFoundry AI Gateway enables multi-region enterprises to manage AI data flows. In this setup, prompts and responses from users in each region are handled by their local AI gateway endpoint. Logs are stored regionally and never cross jurisdictions, but global administrators retain visibility into performance and usage metrics, but without accessing the raw data. This architecture provides data sovereignty without fragmentation, which is a unified AI layer that respects borders while maintaining cohesion across borders. As agentic AI matures, the organizations that succeed will be those that master the balance of agility and sovereignty. TrueFoundry AI Gateway represents the next evolution in enterprise AI infrastructure. At TrueFoundry, we empower you to scale globally, operate locally, and stay compliant effortlessly. If you are ready to implement a sovereign AI stack, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.